Hi, my name is Alan Courtenay of KWS Web Services Limited, and in this video I shall be explaining how the owners or document managers of a document are firstly reminded and then carry out a cyclical, and by that I mean annual, 6 monthly, 2 yearly, whatever, review of a document and record those results. In previous videos we've seen how a document is created and published and what the results of that publishing has in the header and footer of the Word document. So to remind you, I've just opened up a Word document, and here you can see the values which get automatically set and added to the document upon opening. See here that the review date has been previously set to the 1st of September 2011 and that it's version number 2. So returning to the document properties in the browser, we can see those same values in the appropriate fields and that they match. So now what happens? Once a review date has been set on a document, it kicks off behind the scenes tasks which are used to identify all the documents that are just coming up to their reminder date. In the administration settings, the number of days prior to that reminder will have been set previously, and that can be anything up to 31 days. So as the document approaches its sell-by date, a reminder is sent by email to the owner, document manager of the system and the document, with the review date identified and a link on that email to the view properties of the document itself. Here's an example of the kind of email you can set, although that's completely up to you, the format, the look, the feel and the values. The owner can then directly open up the properties by clicking on the link at the bottom. So in the action bar at the top there is the Record Review button, which when clicked upon opens up a simple form allowing the new next review date to be selected and the comments fields to be filled in and include the rationale and supporting information. Once these fields have been completed, simply press the Submit button for that information to be added back onto the live document. But let's explain though, we're not changing or affecting the document version numbering in any way at this point. Rather, what it does is it simply appends the information directly onto the live document, and at this point, if we open up the properties once again, we see that the information will have been added to in the review comments section halfway down the document. And now if we open up the currently published Word document, we can see on that the review date on the header and footer section has altered to reflect the new date that we've just selected. You can record as many reviews as you want against a published version. In fact, you can even record a review on a published document whilst the next version is being prepared and being worked upon. And once the process of looking at a document at or around the review date has happened, you can then go and change the document itself or just record a change request if you so wish. However, all of those steps are totally independent of the record a review process. So that's just about it for recording a review. If you do have any questions you want to ask about this aspect or about this SharePoint 2010 feature in general, do please email us at info@kwsservices.co.uk. We hope you've enjoyed this presentation and thank you very much. Goodbye.